Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can merge a split in CapCut PC. So for instance, you split this in a lot of parts and you want it to be a whole video again. You can press Control Z to just undo your splits. But another way to put this all back together is just select them all, right click and group. You can also really merge it and right click and select create compound clip, and it's going to merge all the clips into one again, like before you split it. And that is basically it really. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!